Sagittarius, okay. Archangel Michael is going to come through. Greetings, Sagittarius. My name is Archangel Michael. At this time, we are here, and we can see that we're having some problems in regards to some communication. As a result, there's going to be a switch. Most that have been with you, the universe is going to do a little shake up, and it's in regards to some DNA upgrades and some ascension problems. Mars energy, check your Mars placement, as this will be very significant, as we are here statement will be more of in your face type of understanding. A lot of past or loved ones are also here saying continue doing great work. 11:11 and 12:12. My name is Archangel Michael, and I spoke with you today. End of message. That was Archangel Michael. With Sagittarius, thank you. With Sagittarius, Venus is very vulnerable at this time. Be careful of projections, as abuse of power will be very significant. Royal lineage is something that it was never talked about, in which a lot of people are finding their worth, and it may lead to some unfortunate events in regards to projections. And I know you talked about this Earth Angel, and so something to do with I'm running and got to get to. I ran and got to get to walk away. Dealing with some doppelganger activity that came up in Aries reading. Some type of Scorpio Sagittarius manipulation going on, some type of mind fuckery, messery, if you like, and which could basically alter your state of being. It's in regards to life path, purpose, and if we're understanding. Some things will be blocked, some things will also be altered if some things are done incorrectly. Your ancestors are coming through very strongly because they're putting a stop to some things. There's been a lot of abuse of power in regards to word magic, a lot of things. I've talked about this. So the universe is also detaching and reattaching certain things, and you may not have support after this. So, and I was discussing this before with fire, air, and water, and how Oshun and Ashran Council will also play a big role in this area. Possibly deal with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, the spiritual soldier that has removed themselves because of called to a different gate, 90, more of 90, because of some third party situations that it's 404 when I said that. Archangel Raphael said all will be fine, but some things will just be what it is, and it's like a lot of tower moments are happening in which consequences. Someone did a death spell. I'm gonna do another reading, and there's an angel number 1010 that's popped in my mind's eye. Possibly done with a Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius, like another Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius, Pluto, Mars, and Venus. I mean, try your best to transmute the energy, because this right here, it may take a left turn if it's not carefully done. Sage your energy. Shit. Excuse me. I try. If you're an earth angel, your vessel may. I've been working very hard on this project. Your vessel may feel altered and detached for a moment. Archangel Raphael, call upon her, she'll help you. This is going to be heartbreaking. And I tried, and I knew it. So this heavy in the fire is like a mist. It's a mist of fire. Narcissism could play a big role in this, and which can destroy a lot of things. And your ancestors are not having certain things, and it can really mess some things up. Possibly dealing with a Capricorn. Sagittarius, possibly dealing with a Capricorn. Scorpio, Aries. I picked this up before about a past on sister. Well, it's like someone decided to do a death spell, and believe it or not, the realization of that, could also talking about uncomfortable. This is yeah, because Central Time for sure, Sag. Archangel Raphael is providing some comfort at this time. It's like a moment of silence. Possibility, temperance angel. Up to God, honestly. It's a divine call that was made, and it should have never ended that way. It should never ended that way. But again, like me being a spiritual warrior, this is why I've seen way too much. I see more than your average. So everything I say on this channel is what it is, and believe it or not, yeah. Projections display mirrors of magic in which could, possibly there with a Cancer, distorted feminine, Leo in the south node that was removed. 1,000 may fall on your left. Archangel Raphael came in. Greetings, my name is Archangel Raphael. At this time, there will be a massive shift based on our understanding of spiritual power, word magic, and also one's divine true path. God never gives an assignment to his individual to hurt them. In regards to this, there's some changes within your Mars sector will be very significant. This will be very uncomfortable, even more uncomfortable than average projections. We all have free will in how we interpret, to use, and abuse other people, especially a temperance angel that has a calling. You are part of the 144. However, language use of bone glass fire would make sense as burnt brass and burnt grass of irreplaceable. My name is Archangel Asphaya, and I spoke with you today. End of message. 10:30 when I said that. 1:30 should be significant. Mayday, mayday, mayday. That spell that was done, and the ancestors said nope. The high priestess comes up. This can get a lot of people upset. Energy, and I talked about this a lot, and I knew, and I have some people that were in spiritual battle, and this has been happening. I lost an Aries in my past, so I understand it. I understand it very clearly. 1 second. The Queen of Wands, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. An angel was dispatched, but not for the reason you think. Archangel Michael called upon this angel, and greetings, my name is Archangel Michael. At this time, bittersweet news will arise, and everything that will be cool, but in different regards. An angel was dispatched. However, some things will be treacherous, and this angel was called to a different area. This angel will no longer be assigned anymore. My name is Archangel Michael, and I protect those that are divinely guided. End of message. Archangel Gabriel is providing some type of assistance in regards to a lot of projections. Some things are returning, and honestly, it's like, if you want a Virgo now, it's like, what has thou forsaken thee? It's written in Central Time for sure. Something to do with moving forward. I do see sevens. I do see 2 trains. 2 trains. Children should have never did that. When the truth comes out, like it or not, there's a dark deed that was done. Honestly, all I can do is to kind of laugh at this, but it's a feeling of grief being released. Playing games nonsense become more significant, as it's not a game. Someone thought this was a game, and that I was saying this in my past reading. This is not funny anymore. I've been speaking on this, and it's like no one's really listening. And if you are, well, this should never happen the way it did. A lot of miscommunication can just tear up and lead to one's cursed destiny. Because there are some serious consequences. I'm going to do water sign and fire sign and earth sign like together later. Alright, Sag.